At dahil nag-crave ako sa dumpling, wala akong wrapper. So, I don't have wrapper. So, ang ginawa ko, gagawa na lang ako ng sarili ko. Pati giniling, wala rin akong giniling. So, I ground my pork and I ground the onion and garlic. And then, I have this king chai, which from the backyard. So, slice ko lang yan. Magpe-prepare muna tayo ng aking feeling. Nothing more than feeling. Trying to forget my feelings of love. Sana nakarating. Diyos ko Lord, kung ano na naman. So, I put the celery, garlic, onion, and the I call it carrots. And then just put black pepper, salt, chicken powder, and some spices like allspice. This one is allspice. So this is the feeling of the dumplings that I will put inside in the middle of the dumpling. Kung ano-ano na naman na sagit yan. And then I add a little bit of soy sauce, our favorite sauces, and I think 1 egg only is enough. So, you just have to mix. I-mix mo lang siya, i-mix mo lang ng i-mix. And then, set aside for 1 hour because I have to make my own dumpling wrapper because actually, it's really easy if you just buy dumpling wrapper. But since the store is far and I cannot go and buy the dumpling wrapper and then everybody is like busy, so I just try to make this dumpling wrapper. Actually, I like the one that I buy in Asian store. So, ayan, just mix a little bit of salt and just water, plain water, that's it. And then the flour. And then you just have to mix. I put I think 1 cup of flour and then water. Ano mo lang yan, tansya. And then, ano mo lang siya, masa mo siya hanggang mag-corporate ang kanyang mga sawa sa flour. Kung ano mga pinagsasabi na. Ang hirap kaya mag-voice over. So, ayan na nga. Diyan ko mamasahin sa aking lamesa. Yung aking kitchen na yan ay aking lamesa. Napaka-messy. So, guys, I will advise you, if it's very cheap only, the dumpling wrapper. If you go to the store, just buy it and store it in the freezer. So, anytime you need it. I have a lumpia wrapper, but dumpling wrapper is different. You cannot use lumpia wrapper. So, set aside mo muna siya hanggang magpahinga siya ng kaunti. So, ano nga ba itong ginagawa ko to? Parang asukal itong nilagay ko dito. Bakit may ganyan? Parang hindi ko maintindihan ang aking ginagawa. Diyos ko. Sa tagal ng video na to, parang hindi ko na malaman kung ano itong ginagawa ko. Parang gumagawa ako dito ng arnibal. Ano ba to? Gagawa ako ng dumplings, di ba? So, ayan, I put alam ko na. I put soy sauce. I put salt and sugar because that is the sauce of the dumpling, and I put the garlic mince and the garlic sauce like that. So I'm making the dumpling sauce. So I'll just set aside that and get ready for my steamer. Ito na, ginawa ko na siyang ganyan, bilog-bilog, and you have to cut it into pieces para siya. Yan, ganyan lang, napakadali lang. Madali lang naman, pero para sa akin, isa pang trabaho yan. Imbis na hindi ka na magagawa ng ganyan. Tapos, ang hirap-hirap mo pang balutin. Hirap na hirap ako magbalot. Mas easy talaga kung bibili ka na lang talaga. So, paulit-ulit na lang ng bibili. Ayan na nga. Where do I begin? Kanta natin. To tell the story of our dreams life can be, and make it like a ball ball. Make it a little circle. Yan. Para, ayan. Ang dami ko rin nagawa niya, no? Kailangan mo siyang anuhan ng flour para hindi siya magdikit. So, ayan na nga, nag-uumpisa nang gumawa si Myrna ng kanyang homemade dumplings. So, ito na yon, hindi nakakatawa. Ayan, nakarami din naman ako. Ayan, nakagawa din naman ako, di ba? Ayan ang aking nagawa. So, mag-uumpisa na akong magbalot-balot. At itong pagbabalot na to ang napakaabala. Ito na naman ang pangalawang theory. Pag pumunta ka sa Asian store, may nakaredy na talagang dumpling. Naka-frozen na siya. Pero, mas masarap ang lasa ng ginawa ko. Kaya lang, hindi ko talaga ma-perfect yung, yung wrapper niya. Kaya next time, buy na lang talaga ng wrapper. Para, kasi yung feeling niyan, napakasarap na eh. So, ayan lang. Ready for steaming na yan. Ilagay ko yan. I just put that in the freezer. So, anytime you can eat like 5 pieces, 6 pieces. So, ayan lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye guys!